Hi, teacher. Today I'm going to talk about something really interesting. That is artificial intelligence versus human intelligence. As we know, AI is everywhere in our phones or computers, even in cars. But sometimes we ask ourselves if can AI really think like a human, or is it just following instructions? In this video, I'll compare both kinds of intelligences and share my opinion about which one is more powerful, or at least unique. Let's start with artificial intelligence, or AI. AI means machines or computers that can do tasks which normally need human intelligence, like recognizing faces, understanding speech, or making decisions. For example, when you ask ChatGPT or Siri a question, that's AI. When you are like in Netflix or any platform that is for watching series, movies, they usually suggest what movie you might like. That's also AI. The best thing about AI is that it can process huge amount of information really fast. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't need sleep, and it can learn for data very quickly. And now, human intelligence is much more complex. Human can think creatively, understand emotions, and make moral choices. We can imagine things that doesn't exist yet, like creating art, writing stories, or inventing a new technology. Also, humans can adapt to new situations without being programmed. For example, if a person faces a problem that they've never seen before, they can use logic and experience to find a solution, something that AI still struggles to do. So, what's the main differences? AI is way faster, more accurate, and better at repetitive tasks, but it only works with the data it receives. Humans, on the other hand, are slower and sometimes make mistakes. But we have creative empathy and intuition, things that AI doesn't really understand. Also, humans can question why something matters. AI can give answers, but it doesn't really care. For example, a computer can compose music, but it doesn't feel the emotion behind it, while human does. In my opinion, AI and human intelligence are not enemies. They complement each other. AI helps us to save a lot of time and solve problems really fast, but it needs us. It needs human guidance, and human bring values, creative, and emotional understanding. The thing is that the things that makes life meaningful. So instead of asking which one is better, maybe we should ask how can they work together? Because the future, I think, will need both smart machines and even smarter humans. Thank you for watching, teacher.